Welcome learners for the lecture 5 of the linear algebra, that is MSc first year of a semester first. Today we discuss about the some dependent and independent variable as well as to the form that we'll be considering, that is a span of a V or generated to the value of the V. Okay, previous lecture same as a discussing of the theorem about the span. Okay, today lecture we getting as a definition as well as all the form of the this span. Okay, definition: a subset of the S of the vector space V generate to the span if span S equals to V. In this case we also said that the vector S generate to the span of the V. Okay, this is the getting as a definition of to the form. Let us go started as an example of this form. The vectors 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 1 generate in a R3. R3 means a row form will be considering to the 3, means a 3 row will be generated. Since the arbitrary vector a1 a2 a3 in R3 is a linear combination of a 3 given vectors. Okay, what is the solution of this equation? In fact, the scalar r, s and t for which for getting as a value, first will be generated as a r 110, second is the s 101 and third will be generated as a t, this form, and generating a1 a2 and a3 for the left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay, we generated r equals to the value for getting a1 a2 and a3 for considering to the value same as a half of a a1 a2 minus a3, same as a half of a a1 a2 minus a3, and t is also generated to the value, that is a half of the minus a1 plus a2 and a3, all value will be given. The polynomial x3 plus 3x minus 2, 2x square plus 5x minus 3 and minus x square minus 4x plus 4 generated to the value for giving as an example of this form. For each of the three given polynomial belongs to the form P2 to the row. For each polynomials a x2 plus b x plus c in the equation of the arbitrary form in the P2 is a linear combination of a these three, namely vectors. Okay, then consider to the form that will be generated, value will be given in the form, that is a addition of the form. Okay, is generated to the value, then put up to the form of the equation minus ax plus 5b plus 3c into x square plus 3x minus 2 for the previous example will be given in this both of this equation. 4a minus 2b minus c 2x square plus 5x minus 3, this will be multiply of the u1 into a1 plus minus a plus b plus c minus x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the example will be given in this form. Okay, this will be the example to generated in the left hand side as well as right hand side to generating form. Then next is the example given as this form generated. The matrices, that is a 1 1 1 0, same as a row as well as column will be considering 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 and 0 1 1 1. Okay, this is given as example. Generated as a 2 row and 2 column in a both of this form. Okay, means it is a arbitrary matrix given into the form M. 2 into 2 matrix can be expressed as a linear combination to given as a linear matrix of this form. Then this matrix will be generated to the form for combining this equation a11, a12, a21 and a22, both of this equation for the value 1 by 3 a11 plus 1 by 3 a12 plus 1 by 3 a21 minus 2 by 3 a22 for multiplying of the both of this equation and generated to the value, and 1110 will be generating to the form, plus same as the second value will be generated plus 1 by 3 a11 plus 1 by 3 a12 plus 2 by 3 a21 minus 1 by 3 a22. Second form will be generated. Same as the third value will be considering to the form in the minus of this consideration of the second form, and third value will be generated. Okay, both of these matrix form M22 will be generated. On the other hand, the matrix 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 0 1 1 1 is considering to the form. They do not generated as a M2 into 2 matrix because each of this matrix has a equal diagonal entries, but so that it will be generated to the form of the any linear combination of this matrix has the equal diagonal entries. Hence, the convert of this form do not generated 2 into 2 matrix. 2 into 2 matrix is a linear combination of these three matrices. Okay, they will be multiply of the both row as well as column of this form. Okay, let us go. Next topic will be started, that is a linear dependent and linear independent form. Okay, definition. A subset A S of a vector space V is called as a linearly dependent if there exists a finite number of a distinct vector u1 to un and scalar form a1 to an, not all zero, such that a1 u1 plus a2 u2 plus an un equals to 0, same as a form. In this case we also considering as a vector of a S of a linearly independent form. Okay, this is a linearly dependent vector. Subset will be considering of the vector space exists as a finite number, that is a u1 u2 un and same as a scalar a1 to an, but not all the zero. All the vector multiplying to the form does not consider as a zero. This vector will be generated at this case. For example, we considering to the form any vectors u1 to un, we have considering to the form a1 u1 plus a2 u2 same as a an un equals to 0. If considering a1 a2 plus an equals to 0, same as a u1 u2 to un equals to 0, they considering to the form of the trivial representation of a 0 and linear combination is considering to the form. For a set, this value will be generating to the linearly dependent form. There must not exist the non-trivalent representation of a 0. Means always a1 a2 an does not get it as a 0, or u1 u2 un does not getting to the value 0. If this value is a 0, both of the equation is 0 because both is multiplied to each other. Hence, consequently, any subset of a vector space that contains the 0 is initially dependent form, because 0 equals to 1 and 0 is a non-trivial representation of a 0 as a linear combination of a vector. This is called as a trivial representation for the linearly dependent form of the set. Okay, first example will be generated. Consider the set S equals to 1 3 minus 4 2 2 2 minus 4 0 1 minus 3 2 and minus 4, and last will be considering as a minus 1 0 1 and 0 in R4. Means row, this is not a getting as a column, only generated as a row in a R3. Solution. We show that is a S is a linearly dependent and they will be expressed as one of the vectors in a S for the linear combinations of the vector as well as the finite number is generated. To show that S is a linearly dependent, must have the scalar form, that is a1 a2 an to a4. Why it is treated as a4? Because of the 4 row will be considering, such that a1 1 3 minus 4 2 plus a2 2 2 minus 4 0 plus a3 will be considering a4 will be considering as a value minus 1 0 1 0 equals to 0. Finding the such scalar amount of the finding non-zero of the solution for the equation, then generated as a value a1 plus 2a2 plus a3 minus 4 equals to 0, same as a value minus 3a1 plus a2 plus a3 equals to 0. Because of value will be generated, that means I am saying to the form, that is a both of this addition of the equation. Okay, this added to the equation a1 plus 2 2a2 plus a3 minus a4 will be generated. Means this row considering first part will be adding, after that second row, second considering to the form, third columns as considering, only row will be show, and fourth is also considering. Okay, then put up to the value that will be generated to the form, then okay, they will be added to the form, same as a 3 and 4 will be generated. After that, one such solution is a a1 equals to 4, a2 equals to minus 3, a3 equals to 4 and a4 equals to 0. Thus S is a early dependent subset of the R4, means a row 4. If solving to the equation by using as a method and generated to the value, that is a value will be generated, a1 is generated as a 4, a2 is generated as a minus 3, a3 is generated as a 2 and a4 is generated as a 0. Put up all these value for using as a equation of the row. Okay, then after that they will be putting to the value and generating of the row. This is the equation of the subset. Okay, this is the example will be considered. Next we'll be considering as a linearly independent form. We generated as a dependent form. A subset S of the vector space that is not linearly independent is called as a linearly independent. Means this vector does not depending in the form. This is called as an independent vector. We also say that the vector S are a linearly independent for getting as a solution of this equation. Okay, what will be generated of the example to proving as a value to prove that a set in the previous example we consider this value does not get it as a 0. This is generating to the form. After that, this equation to prove that the set is equals to 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 and 0 0 0 1. Okay, how to solve this equation? Same as a form in the previous example. Is a this equation S is a linearly independent. S is called as a span or generate to the form in a vector space. Okay, this S is linearly independent. We must show that only linear combinations of the vector in this equal and 0 vectors is one of the coefficients are a 0. Okay. Suppose that a1, a2, a3 and a4 are the scalars such that a1 considering as the first, a2 considering as this, a3 and a4 will be generated for the 0 value. Equating the corresponding coordinate of the vector in such as left hand side as well as right hand side. Then equation will be solved to the obtaining system of a linear equation as well as the system of the combining value we generated. A1 equals to 0, A2 equals to 0, A3 equals to 0 and minus A1 minus A2 minus A3 plus A4 equals to also 0 for combining this value generated. Hence clearly show that the solution of a A1, A2, A3 and A4 equals to 0 for putting all this value and generated as a A4. Hence S is a linearly independent value for getting as a a1 a2 a3 and a4 equals to 0. This is called as a linearly independent, and linearly dependent value does not get it as a 0. Both of these difference of the equation and generating to the value of a equation.